Today's life cycle, we are going to look at the life cycle of an ant. We know all animals have a life cycle. A life cycle is how animals are born and how they grow to adults, and then the process begins again. Do you enjoy myrmecology? Do you know what the word myrmecology means? The word ology means the study of. Myrmecology is the study of ants. What do you know about ants? Predict the stages of the ant life cycle. Pause the video. On a sheet of paper, write your prediction. Now let's see if you are right. How does the life of an ant begin? With the egg. Only a queen, female ant will burrow and lay eggs in the ground. A queen ant can lay up to 300,000 eggs in a day. A day. Queen ants will lay millions of eggs in their lifetime. Queen ants can live from 1 to 30 years. The eggs look large in this picture, but they are actually about the size of a grain of sand. What happens next? Stage 2. The larva stage. Usually about 2 days, some can take longer, the egg hatches into a tiny larva. The larvae have no eyes and no legs. The queen feeds them with her saliva, and if there are other adult ants, they eat the food vomited by these ants. The job of the larva is to eat constantly. The food it eats is stored in its body to be used later when it is an adult. While it is growing, the larva will shed its skin several times as it increases in size. The third stage of an ant's life cycle, the pupa stage. So we have the egg, the larva, the pupa. Watch this video. Notice the covering that the larva is spinning. It is forming a cocoon. It is now called a pupa. The larva goes through a metamorphosis or transformation. Where have we heard that before? With the butterfly. Inside the cocoon, it will grow and turn into an ant. The fourth stage is the adult stage. So we have the egg, the larva, the pupa, the adult stage. Breaking open the cocoon, the ant emerges as an adult from the cocoon. The queen or other worker ants will help it emerge. The new adult ant will either be a worker ant, female ant. Most will be this type of ant. One or two may be a queen. Will have the wings and fly away to start its own colony. Few will be males, will have wings and fly away. The entire life cycle lasts for 6 to 10 weeks. The queen can now relax and just lay eggs. The new worker ants will get food and take care of the new larva and pupa. So let's review the stages of the life cycle of an ant. You have the egg, the larva, the pupa, and then the adult. Complete the stages on the focus page by putting them in order, and then turn in.